Hello, if you've just found my channel, welcome. This is a short introduction video. My channel is basically focused on GeoGuessr content. Hopefully I'll be able to produce 3 videos a day. One video is for Country Streaks, which is a game mode where you have to guess which country you're in, so it's not too specific. The way that would work is it'll be a tournament style, best of 5. So every round I'll have my go where I guess which country I'm in, and when I fail you have to try and beat that score, and if we get it at the same time, or if we get the same score even, you have to beat me in terms of time. So if you get there faster than I do, then you've won that round. And whoever wins the 5, you don't get anything apart from pride. Put it in the comments, tell me that you've beaten me and I'm a stinky loser. But yeah, that's how GeoGuessr Country Streaks works. And the second video would hopefully be the normal round of GeoGuessr, where you have to try and guess exactly where you are. For this, you cannot use Google, and you can move about and stuff. And yeah, basically guess exactly where you are, down to the road. So the third and final round is GeoGuessr Speedrun. It's the same premise as the normal rounds, except you have to do it faster. So that's what my channel is, and that's the content you're going to see, rather. There are 3 different types for the normal and speedrun rounds, which is the lower tier, mid tier, and higher tier. They're set as playlists on my channel, so if you are really inexperienced, you'd go with the lower tier playlist, which is less than 5,000 points. If you are somewhat experienced but not like proper confident, I would suggest you go for the below 15,000. And if you feel confident, go for the 25,000 to 15,000 playlists. So yeah, those are some suggestions. If you do like my content, please do subscribe. I try to post daily, and the purpose of this channel is that anyone can play along at home and see how they fare against an amateur. Yes, I'm an amateur GeoGuessr player. But we can both go along on this journey. You'll see my skills improve, and hopefully you'll gain some tips and tricks yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching this introduction, and I'll see you in my next episodes.